Hello and welcome dear colleagues and fellow researchers. Today, continuing our discussion of Saussurean sign, I would like to elaborate upon the interrelationship of the signs, which is better known as syntagmatic and paradigmatic orders. Saussure says that a sign becomes meaningful in a specific sign system. Thus, language is a system of interrelated signs. Saussure argued that the value of a sign comes not from its intrinsic properties but from its relationships with other signs in the system. For example, the meaning of the word tree is partly defined by its difference from other words like bush or forest. A tree is a tree because it is not a bush, or it is not a forest, or it is not anything else for that matter. Here, Saussure proposes two types of relationships among these signs in terms of its uses. Those relations are termed as syntagmatic and paradigmatic relations. Syntagmatic relations are the linear relationships between words in a sentence or text. They are based on the order and position of words and are governed by the grammatical rules. Simply put, it is a relations like A and B and C and so on. Syntagmatic relations are concerned with the order and position of words in a sentence. They are based on the combination of words in a specific context. Syntagmatic relations can explain why certain words are often used together, such as we say beautiful girl or a handsome boy. Syntagmatic relations are like syntax, which is the arrangement of words and phrases in a sentence. Paradigmatic relations are the relationships between words or concepts that can be exchanged for each other in a sentence. For example, in the sentence, the dog or cat or chimpanzee beat me. The words dog, cat, and chimpanzee are all in the same word class, that is noun, and can be used interchangeably. Simply put, it is the relations like A or B or C or and so on. Paradigmatic relations are based on shared semantic, grammatical, or functional properties of the words. They are a type of semantic relation which is a relationship between words or concepts. Though I have cited examples from language, but these relations are also applicable on other types of sign systems as well. For example, in a system of food, we have soup, then starters, then main course, and dessert in syntagmatic order. That is, one is taken after the previous gets over. Now, within soups or starters, for example, we have multiple options, we have multiple choices. These options fall into the paradigmatic order. So, in the course of a meal, we can have soup and starter and main course and dessert syntagmatically. But paradigmatically, we can have chicken manchow soup or tomato soup or chicken corn soup. We can make only one choice at a time. So that's all for today. I'll be providing more details on the concepts of sign in a coming content. Comment which concept you want to know in more details.